Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix slow rendering in Runway in 2026. So if your videos are taking too long to process, renders are moving slowly, or projects seem stuck during rendering, here are some common fixes you can try. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A slow connection can affect project uploads, cloud processing, and overall performance. Next, refresh the Runway page and reopen your project. Yeah, temporary platform issues can sometimes slow down rendering even when everything else is working normally. If your project contains high-resolution media files, consider reducing the file size or using lower-resolution assets while editing. Large files often require more processing time. If rendering remains slow, check whether Runway is experiencing heavy traffic, maintenance, or service interruptions. During peak usage periods, processing times may increase for all users. Finally, create a small test project and render it. If the test renders quickly, the issue is likely related to the size or complexity of your original project, and that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix slow rendering in Runway in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.